Hello everyone, welcome to the series on the life and works of famous writers. And this video is second part on the life and works of Raja Rao. Introduction. Raja Rao, born on November 8, 1908 in Hassan, Mysore, now Karnataka, was a pivotal figure in Indian literature. Hailing from an orthodox Brahmin family, Rao's early life was deeply influenced by his cultural and religious upbringing. His father was a professor in Hyderabad and Rao received his early education there. He later attended Aligarh University, where he was introduced to French literature by Professor Dickinson, igniting his passion for the French language. This led him to pursue further studies at the University of Montpellier and Sorbonne in France, where he completed his PhD under Professor Kazamia. Literary career and influences. Raja Rao's time in France had a profound impact on his literary career. It was here that he married Catherine, an American actress, and began to write extensively. His works are deeply rooted in metaphysics, a reflection of his search for spiritual truth, which was further influenced by his encounter with Swami Almanan, a Vedantic scholar in Benares. This spiritual journey and his exposure to Western philosophy shaped the unique metaphysical quality of his writing. Major works and themes. Rao's literary output includes several novels and short stories, each marked by his philosophical inquiries and cultural reflections. His first novel, Kanthapura 1938, deals with the Quit India phase of the Indian freedom movement. The novel is intensely Indian, narrated in traditional style reminiscent of a grandmother's storytelling. Through the character Murthy, Rao explores the conflict between moral and social commitments and the broader theme of India's struggle for independence. Kanthapura represents a complex interplay between the contemporary Indian reality and the inherited concept of tradition, highlighting the deep connections between human existence and nature. Rao's most acclaimed work, The Serpent and the Rope, 1960, is a semi-autobiographical novel that delves into the search for spiritual truth across Europe and India. The novel established Rao as one of the finest Indian prose stylists, earning him the Sahitya Academy Award in 1964. Unlike his contemporaries R.K. Narayan and Mulk Raj Anand, Rao's extensive exposure to Western culture allowed him to infuse his writing with a depth and vitality that bridged Eastern and Western metaphysical and spiritual traditions. Contributions to Indian literature. Raja Rao's works are significant contributions to Indian English literature, bringing to life the cultural and philosophical dilemmas of his time. His novels are known for their exploration of the East-West dichotomy, the quest for spiritual truth, and the blending of Indian narrative traditions with Western literary forms. His writing style, which often incorporates Indian idioms and metaphors, is noted by its lyrical quality and philosophical depth. Legacy and honors. Rao's influence on Indian literature is profound. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1969 and Padma Vibhushan posthumously in 2007. His works, including Kanthapura, The Serpent and the Rope, and The Cat and Shakespeare 1965, continue to be celebrated for their innovative narrative techniques and philosophical richness. Raja Rao's name was even considered for the Nobel Prize, a testament to his stature as a writer. Conclusion. Raja Rao's legacy as a novelist, philosopher, and scholar is enduring. His works, deeply rooted in Indian metaphysics and enriched by his exposure to Western thought, offer a unique perspective on the human condition. As one of India's greatest writers, Raja Rao's contribution to literature transcends cultural boundaries, making him a significant figure in both Indian and world literature. So, this was the discussion on the life and works of Raja Rao. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other writer. Until then, goodbye and thank you.